National City, California is a great place to raise a family, own a home, run a business, or just have a great afternoon of outdoor fun and dining activity. You know, as a native of National City, I've seen it grow and I've seen it prosper. Our 9 square miles and 58,000 people offer the very best that Southern California has to offer.
My name is Dookie Valderrama, and I've lived in National City all my life. You know, I'm really proud to live in National City. It's a place to be.
Did you know that we have 27 designated historical sites in National City? We're proud of our historical past, but we're working hard to make sure that our future is even brighter.
We have a very diverse community. We have some great schools in the National City School District.
We have one of the healthiest business climates in Southern California and boast the highest sales tax per capita in the county. In National City, over 95% of our community is covered by the Enterprise Zone, which is a state tax credit program that offers available tax incentives to our small business community. We have a broad-based business community, including small mom-and-pop type shops to multi-million-dollar corporations. National City Chamber of Commerce was established more than 100 years ago, and we were here as the hub of society and commerce. Our role now is to represent our thriving binational region of over 4 million consumers. Many of our businesses have already started taking advantage of our strategic location and infrastructure. We're 10 minutes from everywhere, and within 5 minutes you can actually get to downtown San Diego and the US-Mexico border. Avid shoppers can find practically anything here in National City. Our Westfield Plaza Bonita Mall just underwent a $130 million expansion and offers over 170 stores. More Furniture for Less also moved in, offering 35,000 square feet of commercial space and showroom. The Mile of Cars, which is located right here on National City Boulevard, is a popular destination and an attraction for many people from all over the region. Our Neighborhood National Bank is headquartered here in National City, and they've served an instrumental role in financing a lot of our small business members. National City is booming, and it's a great location for investors and other private companies to take advantage of our many benefits. We have great development opportunities along the west side and Marina Gateway Plaza, as well as on 8th Street, our revitalization corridor.
National City is an exciting place to be. Join us as we make it happen right here in the center of it all.